Wherever this video finds you in time and space, hello and welcome. Hero Forge's new layered clothing system has expanded greatly, allowing you to customize your minis' outfits with even greater control and style. Let's tear open the wardrobe doors and get your minis looking on point. There's some new menus to go over, and I'm here to guide you to striking success. Let's start by checking out the menus for the chest and legs. Clicking on chest now reveals 3 sub-menus: under, over, and neck. Clicking on legs reveals a set of similar under and over menus. These terms refer to the placement of the items selected from each menu. Let's start with the chest menu. The under, over, and neck submenus denote the location an item will appear in. If you click on a shirt in the under menu, whatever you select in the over menu will go over the item beneath it. Items from the neck menu attach to the neck of the mini and drape under or over other equipped items depending on their size. There's a lot to choose from, but it's all pretty straightforward. The same logic from the chest menu also applies to the legs menu. Just like before, items in the under menu will neatly layer underneath items in the over menu. You'll recognize many of your favorite pants, skirts, and other leg items have been split apart to allow you more layering options. There's thousands upon thousands of clothing combinations that you can style with Hero Forge's layered clothing options. There's never been a better time to start a new design or touch up some of your favorites. Show us what you can make with layered clothing in the comments. You can also join our official Discord server to share and chat with fellow creators. Make sure you are subscribed to the Hero Forge YouTube and social channels so that you never miss out on a tutorial update. And remember, the real adventure is in your own creativity.